the garden in centimeter. So whose one side is 4.8 meters and the other side is 1.5 times of this side. He wants to fence this garden 4 times by the wire. How much length of the wire would be required? See this, garden is parallelogram. One side is 4.8, other is 1.5 means 1.5, other is 1.5 times. So it's very easy. Find the perimeter first. S1 equals to 4.1, 4.8. S2 equals to 4.8 into 1.5. So 7.2. So this side is 4.8, this side is 7.2. So the perimeter is what? Perimeter is 4.8 plus 7.2 plus 4.8 plus 7.2. That is 24 meters. Okay, then he wants to border means wire it 4 times. So 4 into 24, that is 96 meters. That much is the length of the wire required. Answer is 96 meters. Next, a theatre is in the town is built in form of a kite. So this is a kite. Kite means two adjacent sides equal, means two pairs of adjacent sides equal. Then its perimeter is 100 meters. Total of all sides is 100 meters. If one of its sides is 20 meters. To watch the videos further, kindly download YuvaGuru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.